po. Sobrang lamig dito, best friends. Hello. Nandito kami ngayon sa Chicago downtown. And iniikot kami ng pamangkin ni Dudong. Si love ko. Meron siyang pamangkin dito. Ayun. Ikot niya kami. Bata pa siya. Pero best friend, naka-sweater lang siya. Naka-pants. Kami dito. Tingnan mo. Ang kapal. Thank you. Order kami ng coffee, BISPRINS. It is one of the best coffee in Chicago. So let's find out. It's Cafecita, favorite variety.
And it'll keep you awake. It's a lot of caffeine.
So let's go to the gym. Joke.
It's like a foam milk. Yeah.
Wow, ang ganda. Busy siya po, busy.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay. Walnut Room. We're looking for the Walnut Room. Actually, I'm not looking for it because I'm vlogging. Marami daw kumakain dito, BISPRINS, lalo na pag holidays. It's like a tradition. Ayan, ang ganda na tingnan. Sa labas pa lang, kita ko na BISPRINS. Kahit may reservation, may pila pa rin. And nakaharang pa sila kasi hindi ka basta-basta makapasok. Grabe, galing.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ang sarap.
Sarap talaga.
Lasang lobster na.
Thank you.
Oh, there's a ferry here.
So magical.
BISPRINS, kasama ko na si Mama. Hello. And sister ko si Katrina.
Hello. Welcome to Chicago.
May kan
Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and turn on the bell button so you'll get all notifications. Go to options, choose all. Okay? Salamat kaayo!